What's up, guys? So I went to my local beauty supply store today because it's time for your girl to get this quick weave out of her head. But I went to my beauty supply and I'm just going to share with you some of the things that I picked up and stocked on. So I picked up some for Door hair color in 120 Black Velvet. I also restocked on this Super Bond glue, a can of the Isoplus Hair Sheen, the Dramatic Shine, also some Got2b glue, as well as some more of my Absolute Fave Got2b glue plastic free spray. So then they had, because I'm thinking I want to do a ponytail, so they had these little 10-inch bundles, inch NVH 7A unprocessed 100% human hair, and this body wave in the color Natural. And so I just picked up 4 of those. So guys, I just wanted to show you what the hair looks like out of the pack. So I opened one and it's so super soft. Like, it's really nice. And so these bundles were $7 a piece. They were on sale. Of course, they had other inches, but I opted to get the 10-inch because I'm doing, like I said, a ponytail. Just look at that. And this is in like a natural brown, so that's why I purchased the black hair color. Shampoo and conditioner that I'll be using, which is Design Essentials. But quick reminder, I do have a quick weave in that I've had in for 2 months, so that's what I am currently washing out, and you'll see the process is so simple. And that's because I used my liquid cap to adhere the bonding glue, so it makes it so easy to just rinse off. And yes, the back of my neck looks horrible, I know, so don't clock me, sis. That's just where I keep my hair shaved, and it just grew back in for the past 2 weeks, and I wasn't worried about shaving it because I knew I was going to be taking a quick weave out. But just wait for the glow up. And that's the quick weave removed. Okay guys, so hope I'm not frightening anybody, but nah, we real, we here, sis, we here. Let's not get beside ourselves and act like this hair growth from our scalp that we have all the way down our backs. This is what we working with underneath. And yeah, so your girl's not afraid to try anything. I've been doing different styles with hair since I was in elementary school. I wanted my hair to be short like Toni Braxton, so I told my mom I'm in the 4th grade, get my hair cut off so I can be like Toni. Don't break my heart. Yeah, all of that. But yeah, I'm about to wash and shampoo my hair. Like I showed y'all in the video earlier, this is the shampoo that I'll be using, Design Essentials, the Almond and Avocado Moisturizing and Detangling Sulfate Free Shampoo for all curl types. So that's what we'll be working with, and I will see you all in a second. Peace. Okay guys, at this point I'm getting ready to mold my hair. I allowed my hair to air dry, and I just have the front part kind of semi-flat twist around just to get it out the way, and I'm just showing you the thickness. Oh my god, somebody help me. Okay guys, so right here I'm just getting ready to apply my hair to make my ponytail longer so that I can have the extended ponytail effect. And this is just some hair that this is literally the hair from my quick weave. I cut one of the plaits and just added a rubber band. And so now I'm adding my Nairobi mousse just to blend my hair in with the weave. And we shall start to plait her up. I'm sorry I wasn't completely in focus or in frame while I was doing that. I thought I was, but you see it now. So now we have her plaited up. We have our pony. The magic and miracles of weave, huh ladies? So at this point I am applying some wrap strips around my hair just to kind of hold and mold the hair in place. While I do my ponytail. And also I like doing this method when I'm doing the extended ponytail so the glue doesn't get on my hair as I'm wrapping the hair around the ponytail as well. Okay, so at this point I'm getting ready to begin wrapping the bundle around the extended ponytail. So what I like to do is I'm adding my wrap strip, and this is just to give me a little bit more leverage and durability and staying power. Okay ladies, so at this point I'm getting ready to apply some liquid cap to my front portion of my hair, and I'm doing that because it's going to protect my hair from the bonding glue that I'll be applying. I am doing bangs, so that's why I'm using the liquid cap right there. And I just thought that bangs with this ponytail would be really cute. I wanted something different, so you shall see here shortly as I begin to lay the tracks. Okay, ladies, so we are at our last and final track, and as you can see, I'm laying the last track, and I'm really close up on that ponytail. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some extra hair and start to wrap it around the ponytail once again, and that will cover up the rest of that little small part of the track so that it's invisible. Okay, so at this point, I'm just going to be finessing that wrap around on the ponytail just to get it solid and secure. Now I'll be going in with my cheese spray once I start to flat iron my hair, but first I'll be chopping up these bangs so your girl can see. And I'm just using my razor comb to achieve that, as well as with my shears. So for the rest of this portion, that's pretty much what I'll be doing, is finessing this bang, getting it to my desired look. And I will start to flat iron it in the next clip. So I'll just let this play out and let you all watch the video. Okay, so at this point, I am getting ready to shave up the back of my head where I have my undercut it, and I'm just going to knock off all that new growth and line up my head. And that will be it for the hair. Turned out really cute. I hope you all think so too. See ya. Yeah, your girl got the barber skills too. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you all enjoyed. If you would like to see more videos like this, please let me know. Comment below, tell me what you thought about it. I just feel like this was a really cute, quick and simple style that you can get or achieve if you're up to doing it yourself. So yeah. Let's slay these looks in 2020, ladies. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Share. Also, hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload from your girl. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.